Okay, so now we're going to do the letter of intent. You want to do this letter of intent when you want to do multiple offers. Most sellers like multiple offers. So this letter of intent, you can have a lease purchase offer, a cash offer, and an owner finance offer. It just all depends on the deal. Every deal is different. So let's take a property down in Florida that we're working on. Of course, you want to change the date. Today is the 14th of October. You want to put the seller name here. So this is the seller name. We just name him John Doe right now. Address. Put Glen Meadow Drive. State. That will be Lake Land, Florida. So then you come down here and put the full address again. Now up top, if it was if they had a different mailing address, you would put that right here. Then you would put the property address down here. I'm not going to put the address because this is a current student deal, but just to give you guys a gist of it. You want to put your zip code. Okay, let's go down. This letter is set forth the basic terms upon which America's investment specialist, the buyer, would be willing to purchase the above referenced property. The terms include a purchase price, amount of earnest money deposit, inspection rights, purchase contingencies, along with closing date are set forth below. So this was all going to be stated in this letter of intent. This property we're working on is worth about $80,000. So we're gonna come in at a Mayo price. Let's see what the Mayo is on this one. And remember, Mayo is ARV times 70% minus repairs. We're working with a property 80,000. Let's do the Mayo on that. 80,000 times 0.70% equals 56 minus, let's say the property needs about 20 in repairs. So we can only offer this guy 36,000. That'll be the maximum allowed offer if we're gonna rehab it. If we want to wholesale it, we gotta be below Mayo. So Mayo 36,000. We want to wholesale it, we gotta be at least at 30,000 or 25,000. I like to at least make a minimum 10,000 per deal, but to each his own. So we would put purchase price 30,000. Since this is a small spread on this, you got about $5,000-6,000. Terms be cash. Purchase price 30,000. Got your down payment. There will be no down payment because this is a cash purchase. So you want to take all this additional information out. Well, you know what? We can leave this in here. No. We got to take it. I'm sorry. We take all this out. We got a purchase price 30,000, all cash. All cash, no contingencies. Contingency means you're not gonna get it and say, hey, once you get on the contract, hey, I need this fixed, I need to repair this, I need this, need that. That turns sellers off. So you got a cash offer, no contingencies. Second offer would be owner financing. Now we will owner financing for them. If they want to give us terms, then we can give them close to their price. So you either want terms, they want all, they want their full price. You can give it to them, but on terms, as owner finance, a lease purchase. But if they want to get cashed out, then they got to meet the Mayo requirements, especially if the house need over 10,000 in repairs. So now that's the first offer. Offer one. We're gonna come to offer two. Purchase price, we'll give him a little more since he's gonna be patient with us and owner financing. We can give him 60,000. Down payment will be about $60,000 house. We'll get about 10% on it, which would be 6,000. So we'll get this guy 2,000. Down payment, non-refundable. Mortgage payment, that's a small house. We probably would do let's say about 500 a month. Let's try because you'll rather be lower than too high. So let's try them at about $400 a month. Principal payments. We do principal payments only, which means that every payment we make every month will go towards that principal, which will pay the house down sooner. Now, some people are going to want interest, but hey, if they don't ask for it, don't mention it. So we're going to do principal payments only, $400 a month for 5 years. Terms of this on the finance, let's say 5 years. Then after 5 years, we have a balloon balance. We don't have an agent involved, so we can take this out. Due diligence, 10 business days, closing within 30 days. So that's it for your letter of intent, folks. We got the cash offer, boom. Cash offer. Got the owner finance offer. And you just want to make some favorable terms, but you want to make sure they're good terms where you can work with it and it won't be so hard to get a buyer in there. Say contingency. Property must appraise the current purchase price. The buyer has the right to renegotiate or cancel the contract during the due diligence period. Seller must provide access to property for potential buyers, appraisal, home inspectors, and contractors. It would be the intent of the buyer to enter a purchase and sale agreement on or before 10 business days. That's pretty much it, guys. Go down, they can sign their name and date. You sign yours as a buyer. Send it over to them. That's it. So you got your letter of intent right here. Change your date. Change your date here. Change all this information, seller information, address, purchase price. You want to make sure you change that. I can actually take this out. This doesn't have to be right here. There you go. Now that looks a lot better. Right here, you want to put your company name of the land trust that you're using. Right here, we have our company name, one of our company names. So you can use your company name or the trust, whichever one you want to buy in, but never buy your name. That's it. It's your letter of intent.